Ever noticed how difficult it is to understand buildings, infrastructure, or urban projects from a flat 2D map? In this video, we're creating an interactive 3D map experience using MAPOG, where buildings, amenities, and location intelligence come together visually. Go to story.mapog.com and go to Create and Publish Map, then create a new map using the With Template option. Choose the list view layout, add your map title and description, and save the project. To make the project presentation ready, head into Map Settings and upload your brand logo for a professional look. Now comes the exciting part. Go to Annotation and choose 3D Model. MAPOG supports GLB, GLTF, and zip formats, making it easy to import realistic building models directly onto the map. After placing the model, use the edit tools to customize the building. You can adjust opacity, scale, altitude, and even rotate the model on X, Y, and Z axes for accurate positioning. Once aligned properly, click Fix View to lock the model onto the map. Next, let's create a structured building layer with real-world information attached to it. Go to Add manually under Add Location and click on Select Business Location Template Settings icon. Click on New Type to create a new location type that we can reuse in another map also. Set the name, color, and geometry type as polygon since buildings require area-based boundaries. Then add custom fields like building name, lease type, area, address, and more. You can even enable contributor access so teams can update data collaboratively. Now select the newly created location type and use the Polygon Draw tool to trace the building footprint directly on the map by adding points each corner and conforming it. Add detailed information, upload images, and save the building location to create a fully interactive spatial record. To make the map more informative, nearby amenities can also be added. Go to Edit and click Add Nearby Amenities. Search locations or place them manually. Add name, assign icons, and calculate distances between the building and nearby facilities. Refine the viewing experience using BBOX settings to control zoom, pitch, and map rotation in map settings. You can even add action buttons with website links and contact details so viewers can directly connect from the map itself. Finally, go to Preview and Share. Set your map to private or public, depending on your audience. You can add users and assign roles for collaboration. Share via link or embed it on websites. From urban planning and smart cities to tourism, infrastructure, and real estate, 3D mapping helps people understand spaces faster and better. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.